Dak jingtrang baka election hak jela karban long hak arpnyotrek bentau benai rempang kan long kebayat bayat ryntih ke election Commission of India kalamang hadu sispa kat khandai ki pertuan pahara ki benwan ban parah pok ke jela Meghalaya. Habai keran bot ba Frederick Kyrwoh beriu Chief Electoral Officer ke jela Meghalaya oleh tu bahadu mentaki kenhun ba pahara ki balawan poi pok ke jela ki long kumba saupo kenhun bat ki nyup khandai kenhun kin poi andalakut ke jingthap vote Tripura.
So security arrangement, in terms of the security arrangement, we have received an allotment of 119 companies here in Meghalaya, of which 40 companies have already arrived and they have already been deployed all over the state. And after the Tripura polls, another 79 companies will be coming and these will be deployed all across the state. We have 36 constituencies here in Atiar region on the eastern side. And we have 24 constituencies in the western region, which is the Kyrwoh Hills region. So adequate deployment will take place based on the requirement in both these areas. And apart from that, as you've seen, we have SSTs and FSTs. We have police observers also, and expenditure observers, and also general observers. So they are all here right now. So and also we have 31 interstate nakas and over 256 nakas which are within the state. So there is adequate security arrangement in terms of the security cover here in the state. Meghalaya has always been a very peaceful state when it comes to the conduct of elections. Even at the height of militancy way back in 2008-2013. Elections were conducted peacefully, and if there is any incident of violence, it is more of an aberration. It is not the usual norm. So we hope and we anticipate, barring a few isolated incidents, that the polling will be conducted peacefully and free and fair, and that also adequate companies have been allotted by the Election Commission this time. We have already they have earmarked 119 companies, of which 40 companies are already here. In fact, usually companies arrive just close to the poll day, but now we have already received 40 companies way ahead. And apart from that, after Tripura polls, we will be getting another 79 companies. And the deployment plan has already been prepared by the police, and we've already had a meeting with the CPF coordinator and the police team. And as per requirement, these will be deployed in both Atiar region as well as in the Kyrwoh Hills region.
The rampant corruption in Meghalaya has choked the development process in the state. Is this the Meghalaya we dreamt of? It's time to speak up about the issues that are hampering Meghalaya's development. Share your suggestions with Modi ji and become a part of Meghalaya's developmental journey. Give a missed call at 8360006060. Together, this 27th February, let's empower Meghalaya.
Congress commitment to Meghalaya. Power cut free Meghalaya. Congress is committed to providing 24/7 uninterrupted electricity to every home and industry in Meghalaya.
5 commitments na kasing Congress na kabinta ka 5